Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. A paper trending on X, published on May 20th, 2026, which was about 5 days ago, addresses a major bottleneck in making small language models more capable. To save memory, researchers have been using looped transformers, which are models that reuse their internal layers over and over in a cycle to mimic a much deeper network without adding more parameters. But because standard attention scales poorly with long text, these loops quickly become computationally expensive. This paper, titled LT2, Linear Time Looped Transformers, solves this by replacing standard attention with subquadratic token mixers, which are efficient mathematical shortcuts that share information across text sequences without the usual computational slowdown. The resulting hybrid architecture achieves an impressive 5.7 times higher speed, delivering 125 tokens per second compared to just 22 for the standard looped baseline. And as we will see, how they combine these different mixers to keep accuracy high is the most fascinating part of the design. Well, Figure 1 illustrates these impressive trade-offs directly. The scatter plot on the left compares average zero-shot performance against decoding speed. The data reveals that the LT2 hybrid variant with full plus GDN achieves the best overall quality, which is more than 2 percentage points higher than the baseline, while still running over 5 times faster. Meanwhile, the bar chart on the right shows that the converted Oro Hybrid 1.4b model is extremely competitive. It frequently beats larger industry models, such as QWin 3 1.7b, and even approaches the performance of the much larger Llama 3.23b. Figure 2 highlights this bottleneck by plotting resource consumption as sequence length scales up to 1 million tokens. The left panel shows that the standard loop transformer demands an impractical number of floating point operations, because quadratic attention scales poorly. More importantly, the right panel illustrates key value cache memory usage. While the classic architectures shoot past 10,000 gigabytes, the LT2 model maintains a completely flat profile near 1 gigabyte because it utilizes linear time attention. Figure 2 demonstrated the dramatic efficiency gains of linear time attention. Table 1 summarizes the specific token mixers that the LT2 architecture supports. The linear attention mixers, listed in the middle, use state update rules that keep memory costs constant because they store compact recurrent states. Meanwhile, the bottom section outlines sparse attention alternatives, which restrict computations to a sliding window to maintain low complexity. Figure 3 details 2 strategies for hybridizing these architectures to maximize both quality and efficiency. On the left, Panel A shows depth-level hybridization, which interleaves full attention layers with gated delta networks vertically within each block, repeating the exact same pattern across all loops. On the right, Panel B demonstrates loop-level hybridization. This approach varies the token mixer dynamically over time, starting with full attention in the first loop, and then switching to sliding window layers with progressively smaller window sizes in later loops. Figure 3 detailed those hybrid strategies, and Table 2 now presents their concrete performance. At the 1.3 billion parameter scale, the looped hybrid model combining full attention with gated delta networks achieves the highest average score of 63%. Meanwhile, the fully linear hybrid model combining gated delta networks with dynamic sparse attention actually outperforms the standard looped transformer baseline, reaching 61% average accuracy without using any full attention. So, while those performance gains are impressive, Figure 5 diagnoses a hidden issue called an attention sink, which is a flaw where a model focuses excessively on the first token. Panel A shows how this focus spikes into a massive sawtooth pattern without a gate. Fortunately, adding a sigmoid gate, shown by the green lines in Panel B and Panel C, successfully dampens these massive activations and stabilizes the residual norm. Table 5 presents a long context evaluation across several knowledge style and retrieval tasks. The top section displays the baseline models, which experience a total drop to 0% accuracy on the needle in a haystack tasks at a context length of 4,096 tokens. In contrast, the bottom section shows that the looped hybrid configurations sustain high accuracy even at this extended range, with the full plus gated delta network hybrid leading the group. Ultimately, these linear time-looped transformers prove that combining recursive depth with efficient token mixers makes small language models both fast and capable. That wraps up our look at linear time-looped transformers. I'm Alex, and this has been the AI Research Roundup. See you in the next one.